Hey guys, I'm Jack from GVS. Again, we're arriving at this year's SIBT 2024. I'm so excited to give you a short introduction of what we're offering to the market. And as you can see, it's very easy to find the GVS booth here. We're just by the side of W5, gate number 6. And we have also another landmark beside us, which is KNX Association. As you know, every year we're backing up each other with the KNX booth on the left side of our booth. And following me, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of what we are offering to the market. So as you can see here, this is the latest solution we are offering to the headquarters of big companies. What you can see here is a Niagara control platform, which shows all the data that is needed to be known to the company. As you can see, we can have all the devices data shown here. We have all the space usage. We have all the emission of carbon and the temperature, air quality, energy consumption. And all these information are very, very important for the management of a multiple functional headquarters. So basically, see how we're gonna realize these functions is by KNX system. So as you can see here, we have all different kinds of controllers, multifunctional actuator, shutter, the weather station with a GPS function can detect the sun position, the wind, and which is the direction, and every key data that is needed to be collected. And also, at the same time, we have the touch panels, which you can control directly all the functions needed to be controlled. And as you can see here, the presence sensor, motion sensor, and all the management device, which all these devices are something that has contributed to this integrated headquarter automation solution. As you can see here, this wall is a featured products from GVS of this 1 or 2 years. So what we're having right now in front of me is a Smart Space Center KNX multi-function gateway. As you can see here, so we have a gateway which allows you to connect to the app. It's not only for your control, but also to control the functions, but also for the device management, scenario management, and you can share your account with your family members, and it's very easy to configure and use. And next part is the KNX Tuya gateway. So we're not only having our own app. We know that under a lot of circumstances, we will need both KNX wiring system, and we need to take advantage of the flexibility of Tuya. So that's why we're promoting this KNX Tuya gateway, enabling our customers to have both flexibility and stability. And as you can see here, we'll keep upgrading our dimming capability, always see the lighting control capability. We're offering the market with our latest KNX DALI 2 dimmer and the KNX DMX512 gateway. And next part is the maintenance or management hardware for projects. So basically we have a KNX IP interface 3.0. So it is KNX secure, certified, and at the same time it helps you to not only control remotely with the app, but also with a remote diagnosis. And we also have a KNX Assistant Pro, which allows you, the installer, to let's say to program very easily in the project, because it's a combination of a USB and also a KNX power supply. So when the site is not ready for a whole KNX system, you can use this KNX Assistant Pro to finish the configuration. And last but not least, we do believe that actually smart home comes from the sensor. So we're constantly expanding our sensor range. So as you can see, from the traditional KNX motion sensor, very small by the way, and also KNX presence sensor microwave, we are having a lot of new ones. And as you can see, we got a big weather station over there, but we also got a small one. This is also very strong with functions. It can detect the GPS information, and you can input the GPS location by yourself even. And at the same time, it can detect to measure the temperature, wind speed, brightness, and recognize participation of the wind. So we're coming to the one of the last panel of this wall. So this is the sensor series we're offering to the market. I mean, personally speaking, I do think that when we're talking about home automation, sensor is definitely not a part that you can miss. So what we're doing right now is that we're keep constantly expanding our sensor range. So basically, except from the Kinect's motion sensor, Kinect's presence sensor, microwave, we are offering to the market more sensor options. As you can see here, we have a Kinect's weather station right now to help you to detect all the let's say climate changes outside of your window, and you can have a very easy linkage to, for example, the HVAC system, to the shading system, to the curtain control system. It's a very handy device. And except from that, we're also having the Kinect's dual technology sensor, which is presence sensor as well as ultrasonic sensor. And at the same time, we're having the latest air quality sensor. It's as you can see from its shape, it becomes much more elegant with 8 functions together all in one. You got a temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, PM 2.5, PM10, TVOC, and formaldehyde, and also brightness. So with all these sensors, you can have a perfect solution for your Kinect installations. And follow me, we're going to the latest S7 series. So basically, in this table, we're presenting our customer with the S series devices. So what we can see right here is the S series push buttons. As you can see, it's made out of aged glass, and you got an OLED screen in between. So it's just very easy for you to indicate all the functions you have on this panel. And at the same time, you have also S3. You can give a closer look of this device, and it becomes much nicer with a totally flattened push buttons and with totally aged glass, and it becomes much more elegant. And beside this is the S7, because right now we have too many customers visiting our booth, so we cannot give a close check, but this is the flagship device we're offering to the market. So with a knob version and with a push button version, we can give a close look to the layout of everything here for the S7. So with this panel, we can have all the Kinect functions and the video intercom function by SIP to get controlled. And also S3 is a must. And coming to this side, we're offering to our customers with our latest Kinect DALI 2 gateway, and also one of the biggest touch screens. We're offering the S13, and except from that, we have also a full range of Kinect Walls devices, including the Kinect Walls Touch Plus Pad, Kinect Walls push buttons, and also, as you can see, we have a thermostat with a knob, or thermostat with a small screen, and all these push buttons. And as you can see, we can easily have all these icons being laser engraved, and all the light of the LED indication light can be seen from the panel itself. And all this side is exhibition panels for all different size, different series of push devices in GVS. As you can see here, this panel belongs to the smart Wi-Fi thermostat. So we are also offering to the US market with this special Wi-Fi thermostat. Okay, you can see with the touch panel, with the knobs. And as you can see here, we have a special panel for S7. And same here, this panel is for the Kinect Walls. And this panel is for specifically for S3. And right here, what you can see in this panel is for the Chinese smart real estate industry, or say solution for the Chinese real estate companies. So we have been using this kind of system to one of the most luxurious project in Shanghai, and we're gonna show you more in our video. And also Z10, S13, and except from that, the typical Kinect solution we're offering globally, as you can see here, the 55mm system, we're offering with more choices for its frames. As you can see, aluminum with different color and finish, glass frame, and also in different color. And also we are even offering to the market the marble. Look at it, it's marble, the marble version, and of course the plastic. And besides that, it's the V40 and V50. It's already a very mature products. This wall activates the video intercom solution we are offering to the market. So basically, we have a TCP/IP video intercom system, long in the range already. We have all different sizes from 4.3 inch to 5 inch to 7 inch and 10 inch. And for the door communication. And the second series of the video intercom is S series. It's SIP intercom system. As you can see, we have a 8-inch outdoor station. We can easily call the different panels inside, 7-inch, 10-inch, or we can use a Villa outdoor station to call into the indoor monitors. And except from that, we have also the analog system, analog 2-wire system. So basically, this is one of our latest analog outdoor station, the modular with a modular design. So this is a device that contains 2 modulars. You got all this push button, and you got an audio video device, and you can easily call into the system. And this system is purely 2-wire, and it's very user friendly for the European installations. And except from that, what we are trying to constantly upgrade is the system, because basically 2-wire is a standardized installation for most European countries. So when people are renovating, they're not using Cat5 or Cat6 cables. But at the same time, we need to offer them a better solution and a better connection to the cloud. So we are trying so hard to have all these functions realized. Cloud intercom, better image quality, as you can see. Check it out, it's with much better image quality. And you can answer, you can unlock the doors, door 1, door 2. Yeah, and also we're having this modular outdoor station coming with this new series. And on the back side is one of the business work that we are improving, the smart hospital solution. So basically, we have already installed this whole series of smart hospital system into quite some nursing home for the old and the hospitals. Coming with me. So basically, it's a pretty special. Hey, we are seeing one of our friends from Russia. Hi, good to see you. Okay, yeah, and so this is a very international exhibition. We're not only focusing on the Chinese market, and as an international brand, we have been exporting to more than 100 countries, and we have more than 5,000 installations globally. We are the vice president of KNX China, and GVS will be the president of KNX China in 2025, and we are working very closely with the KNX Association, and we're trying to bring our sophisticated KNX system to the world. And I hope that one day we can meet up here either in Shanghai or in Frankfurt or in Dubai, so that I can have a better explanation of everything for you to understand who we are, what GVS is doing, and what we're offering to the world. And so that's everything, and thank you very much for today. Thank you.